Early life and education of Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking was born on January 8, 1942 in Oxford, England. His parents, Frank and Isabel Hawking, were both members of the medical profession. He showed early promise in mathematics and science and went on to study natural sciences at University College, Oxford, where he graduated with a first-class degree. After completing his undergraduate education, he went on to study cosmology at Trinity College, Cambridge, where he received a PhD in 1966. Throughout his early life and education, Hawking displayed a strong curiosity and passion for science and mathematics, which would eventually lead him to make groundbreaking contributions to the field of theoretical physics and cosmology.
Diagnosis of ALS and early scientific work of Stephen Hawking.
In 1963, at the age of 21, Stephen Hawking was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, a progressive neurodegenerative disease also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. Despite receiving this devastating news, Hawking continued to pursue his passion for science and mathematics, and soon became a leading figure in the field of theoretical physics. In the years following his diagnosis, Hawking made important contributions to our understanding of black holes, including his discovery that black holes emit radiation, now known as Hawking radiation. He also worked on the unification of general relativity and quantum mechanics, a problem that remains one of the biggest challenges in theoretical physics to this day. Despite the physical limitations imposed by his illness, Hawking continued to work and publish groundbreaking research, earning a reputation as one of the most brilliant minds of his generation.
Contributions to the field of theoretical physics and cosmology by Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking made many important contributions to the field of theoretical physics and cosmology during his career. He was particularly known for his work on black holes, including his discovery of Hawking radiation and his attempt to unify general relativity and quantum mechanics. In addition to his work on black holes, Hawking also made contributions to our understanding of the origins of the universe and the nature of time. He was a strong advocate for the idea of cosmic inflation, which suggests that the universe underwent a rapid expansion in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. Hawking was also known for his popularization of science through books such as A Brief History of Time and the Universe in a Nutshell, which helped to make complex scientific concepts.
Popularization of science by Stephen Hawking through books and public appearances.
Stephen Hawking was a passionate advocate for the popularization of science and was widely recognized for his efforts to make complex scientific concepts accessible to a wider audience. He achieved this through a variety of means, including writing several popular science books, such as A Brief History of Time and the Universe in a Nutshell, and making numerous public appearances. A Brief History of Time became an international bestseller and helped to introduce the general public to the mysteries of the universe and the latest developments in physics and cosmology. Through his books and public appearances, Hawking inspired countless people to develop an interest in science and to explore the wonders of the cosmos. In addition to his books, Hawking also made numerous television appearances, including on popular shows such as The Simpsons and Star Trek: The Next Generation. He was widely regarded as one of the greatest communicators of science of his generation and was highly respected for his ability to make complex scientific concepts accessible and understandable to the general public.
Later life and legacy of Stephen Hawking.
In later life, Stephen Hawking continued to make important contributions to the field of theoretical physics and cosmology and remained a passionate advocate for the popularization of science. He was awarded numerous honors and awards for his work, including the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian honor in the United States. Hawking's legacy extends far beyond his scientific contributions, however. He inspired countless people with his courage and determination in the face of a debilitating illness, and his ability to continue to make groundbreaking contributions to science, despite his physical limitations. He will always be remembered as one of the greatest minds of the 20th century, and his work will continue to influence and inspire scientists and science lovers for generations to come.
Death and memorials of Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking passed away on March 14, 2018 at the age of 76. His death was widely mourned, and tributes poured in from around the world, recognizing his contributions to science and his role as a passionate advocate for the popularization of science. In the aftermath of his death, numerous memorials and tributes were held in his honor, including a public memorial service at Westminster Abbey in London. A bronze statue of Hawking was also unveiled at the University of Cambridge, where he had spent much of his academic career. Hawking's legacy will continue to live on through his groundbreaking scientific contributions, his inspiring personal story, and the numerous popular science books and public appearances that brought his work to a wider audience. He will always be remembered as one of the greatest minds of our time, and his work will continue to influence and inspire scientists and science lovers for generations to come.